How to add items to cart on Shein application. Are you guys facing issues to add products on your cart on Shein application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the Shein application, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just go over the product that you want to add on your cart. Once you enter the product, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for add to cart. Just simply tap on it. Once you click on it, now choose the color of the product and click on add to cart. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna add products on your cart. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein application, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.